Do you want to make more income for your business, but you don't want to work yourself to death, burn out, or have to spend more to get there? Would you like to achieve business growth in a predictable fashion? Would you like to keep various operations, production lines, and departments running efficiently without you having to personally and constantly supervise them? These are all common concerns of business owners today. Join us for an intensive one-day business scaling workshop led by Nick Terrenzi, Executive Director of Hubbard College of Administration International. This is not just a motivational seminar or a collection of generic management tips. It's a hands-on, practical training workshop designed to dramatically improve your ability to scale your business growth without killing yourself or burning out. Nick will break down the exact mechanics of scaling a business, getting more revenue and efficiency out of your current operation, your current payroll and staff. This workshop is built for business owners and managers. Whether you manage a small, medium, or large business, the skills you gain will apply immediately in real-world management situations. Reserve your spot today and start scaling your business the way you always wanted to.